Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey and today I'm actually making a recipe. It's a re-intro recipe. It's delicious, it's simple, and I'm gonna have my favorite taste tester, Vinny, over to try it later. Basically, just need some steak sirloin tips and some of this teriyaki sauce. I found this at Whole Foods. I'll link below to where you can pick some up if you don't have a Whole Foods near you. And there's only one reintroduction in it, and that would be sesame oil. Everything else is AIP compliant. Coconut aminos, water, salt, raisin juice concentrate, sesame oil, ginger extract. All organic, good stuff. This is so good. If you have not reintroduced sesame seed oil, you can make this exact same recipe using regular old coconut aminos that are 100% AIP compliant. Anyway, let's get to the recipe. I'm gonna start with some grass-fed sirloin steak tips. This is almost 3/4 of a pound. You can make as little or as much as you want. I have a piece of plastic wrap, or you can use parchment paper laid out. I'm gonna salt this. I'm gonna put some garlic on top. Cover it with plastic wrap and pound it super thin. So I'm talking this thin. Like this one you can almost see through a little bit. I'm gonna break that into a smaller piece for ease of frying. And then we're just gonna pop these in a bag. Same deal. Okay, scoop up any garlic that didn't stick. Throw these in the bag. Put a little extra garlic in there for good measure. And then, for AIP compliant, use coconut aminos. For teriyaki with one re-intro, use this Big Tree Farms organic teriyaki marinade. I'm gonna add, it's like 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. Seal it loosely. Massage the flavors into the meat. Starting with a pan on medium-high heat. I put in about a tablespoon and a half of avocado oil. Get that nice and hot. These have been marinating for, I don't know, maybe a half hour, 45 minutes. You can go overnight. You can go as long as you want. So you might have to unfold it a little. You want to make sure they're not in there too close together, because you don't want the liquid seeping out and steaming them. So you need a little bit of space in between them. Oil's nice and hot. Just go for a few minutes till it's nice and dark and caramelized on the bottom, and then we're gonna flip them. See how the side of the pan's starting to get dark brown? That's a good indicator it's time to flip when you see that color start to form. Woo! All right. Oh yeah. A few minutes on this side, get it nice and brown and caramelized. It's only been like maybe 3 minutes. I'm just going to keep flipping this until all of it looks this nice caramelized color. Alright. Oh, that's what we want to see right there. It's like Korean barbecue or something, doesn't it? Woo! Alright. And then we're just going to keep these hot while we make the rest of our side dishes, because this is done. Look at that. Like, oh my goodness, look at that. You're also going to get a sneak peek at my latest monthly patron exclusive, which is going to be like a lamb patty, a Middle Eastern style lamb patty with a nice simple mint, oregano, thyme pesto. The veggies are just like sauteed zucchini, carrots. I threw some reintro sorghum in there, but you could use plantain rice. But the whole recipe is over on Patreon. You can use any veggies and any starch you want. I usually have zucchini and carrots around, so. That dipping sauce is just a little extra teriyaki. Okay, we're gonna put the lamb patties over here, and the teriyaki beef over here. Whoops, I put the lemon over with the lamb. So there's our mixed grill. Head on over to Patreon if you want the lamb patty and the pesto recipe. Now I'm gonna have Vinny in here to taste this.
What do we got here?
He came in here so fast I couldn't even film it. Alright, I like missed it. That is my beef teriyaki. Dip that in the teriyaki sauce. Woo.
Oh. Yeah, this is really good.
Oh, you like my beef teriyaki?
Mm-hmm.
He's smiling, alright.
Yeah, that's the winner.
I hope you guys love this. Let me know if you try it or if you make something similar. Also, if you want more recipes that are 100% AIP compliant, there's a link below to my cookbook. I hope you guys are all happy, healthy, well, and I will hopefully see you soon. Definitely once a month on Patreon, and I'll still be on YouTube here and there when I have time. Job's kind of crazy. Good problems. Lots of awesome clients that I love to help. Just doesn't leave me much time outside of that. But I'm here. I'm doing great. Life is good, and I will see you guys soon. Until then, be healthy.